What up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's Lynn Lynn's It's a Lifestyle. It's feeding time for my loft today, and see some weird stuff going on. Never seen this before, so went and got the camera and let y'all check it out, man. This is crazy. These birds been in here like 3 or 4 months together. Now it's 2 males and a female. Look at his neck. They just picking him to death. That's the big male cockbird. And he just, look at his neck. He just picking him raw. I don't know what's going on with my birds in this last week. Even Big Red is acting weird to another hen over there. So they double teaming this bird. Their two is a couple now. And they just picking him and picking his little neck. I'm gonna get him out of there. Put him with somebody that's more nicer to him. This neck. I've never seen that. He just trying to run, and he just keep picking them. Even the female picking at him. And that was his girlfriend. When I first put them in the cage, that was his girlfriend. The 2 white ones was a couple. Got a little feed for my dogs. They like this stuff, this wild bird feed. Get back in there. Flyers. Somebody took them out today. This one will put the little lost bird. I might just let him fly. No, I ain't gonna let him fly because he kind of distressed right now. I don't know why they treating him like that. No eggs in there, but they treating homie real bad. It's a male cockbird. Keep trying to fight him off, but rabbits to move their little cage out the way. I don't know what they in here doing. All right, I'm gonna do them. I can just grab them out of there. It wasn't like that yesterday. I guess I can close this, trap them in there, so it'll just be me and him. All right, y'all. I got them out. And pick this little neck raw. I've never seen that. It's a pretty bird. It just had a hard life. I saved him from being eaten. And Big Red is doing the other hen like that. Same way. Just jumping on her back and pecking her. That's okay. Trying to show you his neck. You want to poke his neck out. But hopefully he have a better lifestyle. And here, they was all raised together. I saved them from being eaten. The owner used these as put them in this stew, crawfish boil, and I was just trying to save them all, but they all came from the same place. Pretty cock bird, all white. I'll put them in here. But they probably get along better than what he been doing. They came out on a good flight today. It's a nice, pretty day. Three, we got one missing. Get all the scraps to the chicken. Waiting on him to come down. Open this back up so he can. That's a youngin'. They fighting over territory, fighting over relationships. I ain't got time for all this abuse in my law. I can't save everybody. I mean, I don't know what to tell them.